Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to unblock someone on Facebook. Really easy to do. So first things first, you just want to open up your Facebook application. And then once you're on your Facebook application, you want to go to the bottom right corner where the three lines are. Click on the three lines. And then you just want to scroll all the way down until you see the settings bar. Click on settings. Then you just want to continue to scroll down until you see the privacy area, and you want to keep going under that and you see blocking. Click on blocking, and then you'll see your list of blocked people. So to unblock someone, you just click on the white unblock bar in the right, and then unblock, and it's as easy as that. I really hope I was able to help you guys out today. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.